Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal as a payment gateway in WordPress in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to come in the admin panel or the dashboard of your WordPress account. So make sure that you are logged into your account. Now over here, you need to hover over to the plugin section and click on add new plugins. Now over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for PayPal checkout, or you can even search for WooCommerce PayPal payment. Now, once you search for it, you need to simply click on the install now button right next to it, and you need to activate this plugin. Now, once this plugin is activated, you just have to simply click on the installed plugins, and here you will see all of your plugins over here. So I have installed Fluid Checkout from WooCommerce, so you can also do the same. Now over here you will have to simply create your account over here, and the interface of it will look something like this. Now here you can see PayPal is default, but you can just change it in the settings if you want to. So make sure that you select PayPal as the payment gateway or the payment option, and after that you just have to simply proceed with the checkout in order to check if it is working properly or not. So if this video helped you out, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.